A healthy diet plan for weight loss should focus on providing balanced nutrition while creating a calorie deficit to promote gradual and sustainable weight loss. Here's a general outline of a healthy diet plan for weight loss. 1. Calorie intake. Determine your daily calorie needs based on your age, gender, weight, height, activity level, and weight loss goals. Aim for a moderate calorie deficit, around 500 to 700 calories per day, to lose about 1 to 2 pounds per week. 2. Portion control. Be mindful of portion sizes. Eating smaller portions can help you control your calorie intake without feeling deprived. 3. Balanced macronutrients. Consume a well-balanced diet that includes a mix of macronutrients. Proteins, lean sources like chicken, turkey, fish, tofu, legumes, and low-fat dairy help you feel full and maintain muscle mass. Carbohydrates. Choose complex carbohydrates like whole grains, brown rice, quinoa, oats, fruits, vegetables, and legumes. Limit refined sugars and processed foods. Fats. Opt for healthy fats found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil, while limiting saturated and trans fats. 4. Vegetables and fruits. Aim to fill half your plate with non-starchy vegetables and include a variety of fruits in your diet. They are low in calories and high in essential nutrients and fiber. 5. Hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Sometimes, thirst can be mistaken for hunger, leading to unnecessary calorie intake. 6. Meal frequency. Some people find success with 3 main meals and 2 smaller snacks, while others prefer several smaller meals throughout the day. Choose a meal frequency that suits your lifestyle and helps you avoid overeating. 7. Limit processed foods. Reduce or avoid highly processed foods, sugary snacks, and sugary beverages as they can contribute to weight gain and provide empty calories. 8. Mindful eating. Pay attention to your hunger and fullness cues. Eating slowly and savoring your food can help prevent overeating. 9. Physical activity. Combine your healthy diet plan with regular physical activity. Incorporate a mix of cardiovascular exercises, strength training, and flexibility exercises to support weight loss and overall health. 10. Seek professional advice. If you have any underlying health conditions or specific dietary needs, consult with a registered dietitian or healthcare professional to create a personalized weight loss plan. Remember, weight loss is a gradual process, and it's essential to make sustainable changes to your eating habits and lifestyle. Crash diets or extreme restrictions are not recommended as they can be harmful and difficult to maintain long-term. Patience, consistency, and a positive approach are key to successful weight loss and overall well-being.